Okay, no, today's my big day actually, so sorry.
Don't worry, we'll go slow.
Actually, brides is the favorite look of the director that I'm going to meet now.
Okay.
Yeah, he's known for the bride look. Like he just revamped the whole country with the bride look.
Okay.
This isn't your regular beauty show. This is So You Think You Can Blend, where flawless glam meets full-blown chaos.
Guys, we need to do this quickly. I have to go. I told you I have a meeting today.
Each episode, a top makeup artist thinks they are here to take you through a trending makeup look. But we have a surprise in store.
How can I smile when I'm angry?
Prank them at every step of the way.
You and I, we both know I'm not okay, right?
Will the makeup artist make it to the end? Let's find out.
Hi everyone. I am here today with Ankita and
Sorry,
okay.
I'm sorry. We'll take it again. I'm Ankita with a Y.
How do you pronounce that? Ankita with a Y.
No, just say Ankita with a Y. But
And-
filmy chokri with an I.
So you'll say
Yeah,
that?
Yeah,
okay,
I'll say that.
Take care. Hi everyone, welcome to Nykaa. I am Pragya and I'm here today with Ankita with a Y.
But filmy chokri with a I.
So the wedding season is just around the corner. So today we'll be creating a beautiful wedding glitter look. And trust me, this season is all about glitters. So come and let's start with the tutorial.
I'm here to prank Pragya. She has no idea that she's going to get pranked today. I've been told that, she throughout the act, I have to keep disturbing her. I'm not really good at this. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but let's see. I hope I'm able to irritate her to the extent that she breaks down.
So we start with prepping the face first. Very, very, very important step. Hydration is the key to a very smooth, perfect base. And as she mentioned, she has oily to normal skin. So we will be using maybe one layer of moisturizer, not a lot, because the skin is not dry. So I'm starting with the eyes because I believe if you want to save up on the time later and if you want to minus any kind of fallouts, it's always safer and better to do eyes first.
Okay.
Okay. So we first moisturize the eyelids and we give a nice massage.
You do this with all actresses?
This kind of makeup?
Yeah. I
Yes.
mean, this massage and everything.
Yes. Our skin prep is done
Okay.
and now we start with the eye makeup.
Okay.
So I strongly believe minimal goes a long way. So right now we are concealing and then we'll lock this. So once I've applied the concealer, now I'm gonna use Beauty Blender and just press it all in.
Can you
Very
just, like, while you're applying makeup, take my name every time?
Should I say Ankita with a Y or just Ankita?
It's
Or
nice.
maybe the Instagram handle, whatever you want.
I say Ankita with a Y every
Okay.
time.
So once we are done blending the concealer, now we go in with powder to lock the concealer. Are you liking the steps, Ankita with a Y?
Do you know why is it Ankita with a Y or Pragya
No,
with
I
a Y?
really want to know, but
I will tell you, because the whole world runs on the word Y. Why are we here?
okay.
What time it is?
Okay, so it's not Y, it's WHY.
Everything is Y. Yeah,
Okay.
Ankita with a Y. So I thought I'll keep it short, I'll keep it Y. But everything is why are we here?
I agree.
Why does
totally
the sun
agree.
rise? Why are we doing this makeup?
Alright guys, back to makeup now. So I'm taking a very soft neutral tone because Ankita with a Y prefers a very natural finish. So we are gonna go in with skin color and a very light brown shades, nothing dark. Now I'm creating another layer to the eyelid and this time I'm gonna go a shade darker so it gives a nice depth to her eyes.
Like, just make it noticeable so that, the
Yes.
moment he sees me, our eyes match and, that like the whole thing just falls into place just because my eye makeup is that good.
So I'm going with the third shade now.
You have to keep taking my name, Pragya.
Yes. So Ankita with a Y. I'm going in with the third shade. And now we just blend the outer section of the eyelid and create more depth.
Can we just like, sorry,
Yes.
my mind is there. Can we like quickly just pause and do one step? Because it's, I have to rehearse something, and if I don't do it right now, then I'll forget it.
Rehearse as in?
I'll show you what
Yes,
we have
yes.
to do. One.
Oh,
Yeah.
I love dancing. I
You
can do it.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Thank you. Na 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 na. Na, na. Yeah.
I don't know how to stop this. I just hope this ends soon and she likes makeup because I am here to do the makeup. Alright, so now we go on with our next step. We are going in with the glitter. You can use any spray when applying. So just 2 strokes.
Do you speak to dead people?
Red people,
No, dead people.
dead people, not yet. Do you?
I'm surprised you don't. I do all the time.
And how do you do that?
I told
Like, how
you.
do you call them?
No, you don't have to call them. They're all around. Like I told you, like you were going to do the nude thing. My grandmom is right here. She's
Okay.
overseeing this makeup right now. There behind him is my grandfather. Like, can you
There?
see him? Yeah.
No. Is he liking the makeup?
He's not very appreciative of like such strong looks, but he really likes this director's movies. Like when he was dying, he was taking his last breath. His movie was only playing on the TV. So
Okay.
yeah, the last word he heard was Bole Chudiya.
So hence the dance on Bole
Yeah.
Chodiya. Mm-hmm. So this name of yours, Ankita with a Y, is that on like paper or on your Aadhaar card?
No, it's on tissue paper.
Okay. And where is the tissue paper?
It's there in my bathroom.
Okay.
Like I see it every day and it is enough for me to see. Right? You don't have to tell the world everything. Yeah, that's the why of things. I like that you're such a good listener.
Yeah, so are you. So I have a friend. She's a really nice doctor.
Doctor of?
Like she does like mental peace, mind yoga, and all of that.
Okay. She's a doctor of mental peace.
Yeah, like mind yoga, calmness, all of that.
Okay. Are you suggesting I see her?
Like I see her, there's nothing wrong in that. You can too if you want to
Oh,
with
is
your
her degree?
grandparents.
This is just the right way to lead life.
Okay.
You're not convinced.
No, I am.
You are right.
I just want to do this quickly so that you go for your audition.
No, it's not an audition yet, and I don't give auditions and all. I think they're beneath me. I get called, I get invited to be there. She is reacting, but she's also very patient. You know, she reacts for a second, but then she goes along with what I'm trying to do. I think she's quite calm and patient herself.
So next step now is locking the base. So we'll be using translucent powder for the same. This step ensures that the makeup stays in place all day, and it also helps with fine line wrinkles. So when you're powdering, just make sure you don't over powder, otherwise it will end up looking very dry and cakey. So powder wherever it's important. For example, one spot is under the eye for wrinkles, smiling, laughing lines, and maybe a little bit of here on the forehead. Now I'm using a brush and I'm just blending it all in. Now we add little color on her face and make her look very glowy and blushed. On Ankita with a Y, on her we'll be using very nice shades of blush. Also, when it comes to blush, a very important tip, try and use 2 shades, preferred lighter color here and one here. So for example, if you put light shade here, then go with 1 shade darker here so that it blends well.
Can you put a little blush on my grandma?
Okay, after this maybe,
No, she just wants
I
it.
think
She's
I
been
would-
very pale since she's died, no?
because I have used this on you. So I think I'll do it later. Now we add little dewiness. As you said, you like dewy finish. So let's add little highlighter to your face.
Can you do a little highlight on my hair also?
On your hair,
Yeah, because I like hair highlights also.
hair highlights, but
Yeah.
this is a powder highlight. It will not sit on hair. See, now if you keep talking, then you will run late and I won't be able to finish
That's
the look.
fine, but we need to have the right look, right? Instead of having the wrong look. Like the look requirement was hair highlights. If you can't,
Can you smile while...
how can I smile when I'm angry?
Can you try
Like she's
smiling
also
and
angry,
keep
I'm also
smiling?
angry. You just don't see things.
Alright, so I'll give you a nice shape now. A little sharper shape using powder eyebrows. So I do not prefer using pencil or cream eyebrow products because I feel it creates a very precise line, a very precise finish. So I like to keep it natural yet sharp. So I will always recommend powder products over cream when it comes to eyebrows. So I really like brown mascaras. Right now I'm using black because we have not used false lashes on her. Otherwise, on some days when the makeup is extremely subtle, a brown mascara looks very, very natural and really nice. Okay, you can relax your eye.
No, once I start blinking, I don't stop.
No, you have to relax, otherwise it's gonna come on your skin. So let it dry first. You were just doing exercise looking up for 10 seconds, do that.
What's the thing with me and blinking?
Okay, you want me to hold your eyelid? Is it fine now? Look up. It's better if you don't move, otherwise,
You will also have to practice with me.
I think I'm good.
No, I have to run. So, like my tarot reader told me, two people have to do this together.
Why don't you try with your grandmom?
No, they're too old to do this.
Are they?
Just one step will do.
Calm down, calm down.
I'm not calm. I'll continue the practice because
But then how do I make the line?
that's your job. I'm sorry. My
Please,
job
can
is to
you-
be an actor.
Please,
Like-
can you just stay for like 10 seconds only? Let me just create the line, please.
Okay.
One, no, normal. Keep it normal, please.
This is my normal.
Okay, normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait, you're counting wrong.
Why?
It's 1, 2, 4, 5.
Okay, I'll count backwards. 10, 9.
You're counting it wrong.
I think it's fine like this, the lipstick.
I can't
think
go
we
like
can
that.
Okay, you can just smudge it using a finger and you're good to go, I think. Is it okay? Okay, what is happening? I'm not understanding. She was being very, very, very difficult. She was moving constantly, so it was a hassle for sure.
Guys, can we tell her
What?
that this was a prank? All this while. I'm so sorry, Pragya. We were
I thought you're still bro.
That was the whole point.
I swear I thought you're still or on maybe.
I'm so sorry. I know you'll I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I took 3.5 hours to come from Goregaon to here this morning. And I almost cried. I was like, why is it taking so much time? And then this happened. Can I apply a little gloss to Ankita with a Y? Can I? May I?
You can do whatever you want to do.
So we are adding little gloss for that plump finish. And of course for the dewy finish as well. Relax your lips. We are almost done with our makeup. But now to finish this off, we'll be using a very nice hydrating makeup fixer cum makeup spray, whatever you want to use, depending on the skin texture and skin type. Now we are going in with a very nice hydrating makeup fixer. Before we go in with it, we have to make sure that the client, the face doesn't have any fine lines or wrinkles. So look up. if you use the fixer with the fine lines or wrinkles, remember you are fixing that on the face. So always erase the lines, especially the laughing lines and the fine lines under our eyes. And then we spray it from a distance. So just relax now, okay? And don't inhale this. 1, 2, 3. Relax, relax your eyes. So here is the final look, guys, ready to rock this Shadi season. I hope you guys love the look as much we loved creating it.
For more such videos, like, share, subscribe.
To Nykaa TV.
So you think you can blend?
Of course I can.